Hello guys, hope you guys are well. So today I'm going to be doing a foundation routine, and I'm going to be using some new products on this tutorial because I'm going to cut the video into two and review the new Huda Beauty new nude eyeshadow. So I just thought of doing the foundation on this clip, then I'll do the eyes tutorial on the other clip. So guys, let's get into it guys. If you want to see this makeup tutorial, stay tuned for this video. So guys, first thing first, I'm going to prime my face. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty foundation primer. Just prime my face. Just tap this on my skin. I like using this lip oil, and it's by L'Oreal. Today I'm going to be using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. I've done a review of this foundation on my YouTube channel. If you've not seen it, I'm going to link it. And yeah, and this foundation is beautiful on the skin, full coverage. I've done the full review. I'm going to link it guys, okay? I'm going to take the shade Golden. I'm missing the two shades on my face because I feel that is the best way to do it. For brushes, I'm going to be using some brushes by Spectrum, and this is a 30 something piece brush. You see the BO1. I'm going to use this to buff. That coverage is nice. Take the It Cosmetic Bye Bye Under Eyes Concealer. You guys know this concealer is one of their best sellers. Cute name, right? Bye Bye Under Eye. Let me try the shade Medium Tan. It is light. I can't use that alone. To just mix the concealers with this other concealer to get the perfect shade, because I don't like the concealer underneath my eyes to be too light. Right now, I'll just mix these two. Okay, we can work with that. Original Beauty Blender, the black one, the black Beauty Blender. I've already wet it with water. To contour my face, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty concealer. This is the Spectrum D01 brush. It's like a dual fiber brush. Do people still say that? I remember when this type of brush came out. Oh, blend with a dual fiber brush. People just take brush and use brush. Any brush you have, use. Back with the foundation brush. I don't like to see where the foundation, the concealer, I don't want to see any of that. All I want to see is a flawless base. So I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Easy Bake in the shade FUNAFA. The Lancôme mattifying powder. The flower sign, that is Lancôme. Spectrum A05 brush. What is Technique? Just going to use this to dust off the powder on my face. blush, I'm going to use this blush palette by It's Cosmetic. Looks like this. I'm going to take that, the one at the center. Look at that in the brush. I'm going to spray my face. I'm going to use the Fix It, Forget It spray by Lancôme. This Fix It, Forget It spray. To use the Huda Beauty lipstick. To use the Becca Cosmetic highlighter. I'm going to use the Spectrum brush in CO7. I've never wet my brush. Glow with the nose, like.
Black jersey on the beat. Oh no.